Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a 38-piece Grade 5 titanium diamond-like carbon-coated Romain Gauthier C Titanium Edition 2. So this was launched in 2022, sold in 2022, part of a 38-piece edition in titanium with the DLC coating. The watch weighs only 54.26 grams, being made almost entirely of titanium inside and out. It's 41 millimeters in diameter, it's 9.6 millimeters thick, and 49.5 millimeters from lug to lug. You can see that the irregular spacing between the lugs means you're going to either have to use a factory strap or get one custom made. Because it's not a conventional lug spacing, you do have to match the particular shape of the lug junction, and it's not a constant width. The strap is very supple, thin, comfortable. Romain Gauthier, you can see it's a factory strap. We have a matching pin buckle right here, which is Romain Gauthier branded. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. It's thin, it's light, it'll easily slide under a cuff, though it is broad. So I'm going to say you probably want to risk my size, 16 centimeters circumference, and probably no narrower across to wear this watch well. It is very comfortable though. That is one thing that Gauthier nailed right out of the gate. The ergonomics, provided you can fit it, superb. Taking a look in profile, you can see that we've got a little bit of a step to the lugs, not a lot, but a tiny notch on each side. For each end, we've got a little bit of a rubber or elastomer collar to a crown that includes the Romain Gauthier logo. We have faceting on the crown, which matches the faceting that you will find on the buckle, as well as the bezel. So design continuity here. Now you can see that there's a frosting at the center of the crown that matches the primary decoration of the movement. On the dial side, we have a black dial that is matte black. We have this lovely little compass rose style sub-seconds. And I'll wind everything up so we can see the watch in action. Now the hands and the indices and the quarter Arabic numerals are made of gold. They're matte finished. They're gold so that they won't oxidize, tarnish, or change color over time. And now that the watch is up and running, I can demonstrate that it does feature a hacking or stop seconds function, which is surprisingly elite for an independent brand. Many of them don't have that. Taking a quick look at the case back, take a quick look at the hacking lever. See how it's shaped a little bit like a snail, and when I push the crown back in, it gives the balance a little bit of a shove to get it up to amplitude more quickly. See that right there? That's a brilliant setup right there, because a lot of times it takes a long while for balance to get back up to its amplitude after hacking's deactivated. This prevents the loss of time as a result. Now there is lume here, but temper your expectations, because you can see that this variant of Superluminova Red may as well be the black kind, which is to say almost none at all. Now if you get very close, you can see that the matte finish of the gold pieces is quite attractive. Hands, indices, and numerals, it all looks really good. With white, black, and red on this dial, it's handsome. The movement's good looking too. You can see out back the caliber. Now this is a manual wind. It's got a 4 hertz beat rate. It's got a 60-hour power reserve. It's got the hacking with the unique snail stop seconds. We've got a Romain Gauthier designed escape wheel. In fact, all the wheels are designed by Gauthier, who is an engineer by trade, and the watch brand under him is engineering oriented, which is why we also have on this 4 hertz balance, I may as well stop everything to make it easier to see, we've got a proprietary balance design with eccentric masses on the rim that allow the fine timing adjustments to be done by moving those masses in pairs to speed up or slow down the balance. It's a more shock-resistant solution than a mobile stud index, and a concussion to the watch can't change the timing of the watch. Now the bridges and plates are all made of grade 5 titanium. You can see a couple of different decorations. We've got media blast, we've got beveling, particularly within the hollows of the wheels. You can really see how well the beveling's been applied. We have chiseling within the bridges. We have satin channels or brushed channels around the edges. Now you can see that there are matte bevels on the profiles of the bridges, an unusual look. We have a little click right here that prevents the barrel from running backwards, and you can see the barrel features snailing on its cover, which is a good look. There's satination on all the wheels, and the wheel designs are distinctive. The movement is also fairly large. It's 32.1 millimeters in diameter. It's about 5.5 millimeters thick. It's a 24 joule movement, and again, being made entirely of grade 5 titanium, the 60-hour power reserve movement contributes to the extraordinarily light feel of this roughly 54-gram watch on the wrist. It is 50 meters water resistant, and well, I've heard you can swim on the surface with it. This is not a screw-down crown, so I would allow discretion to be the better part of valor and not swim with it. Now, you can also see that Gauthier uses a unique screw of his own design. It has this sort of waveform slot, and the idea there is not just to prevent idiots without proper tools and training from opening the watch. This system allows the screw to take much more torque without stripping out. So there's a lot of intelligent thinking in the design and engineering of this watch. If you love it, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.